At Mitsubishi Electric, we're always focused on helping our customers solve challenges and improve performance. Here's a look at how one customer partnered with Mitsubishi Electric to do just that.
Balpack Inc. is a manufacturer of complete integrated packaging lines. We also manufacture filling systems, labeling systems, and capping systems for the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, cosmetic, and chemical industries.
I started to be involved with packaging machineries in 1984 and eventually changed some positions and changing countries. I'm originally from Czech Republic, then I moved to Canada, eventually ended up in Sarasota, Florida.
From a customer standpoint, I think having a machine that's accurate, repetitive, and of course ease of use for the operators, I think is top of mind for most people. We're one of the innovators of this continuous motion robotic system. It really has allowed the operators to do fast changeovers. Everything is recipe driven through the Mitsubishi platform. So it's a great advantage for using multiple formats on the same machine. One of the main problems we solved with our continuous motion robotic capping systems is to be able to encapsulate a container without having the liquid slosh inside the bottle.
My name is William Barnes. I work for Hobo Inc. We are a car wash chemical manufacturer and brewery cleaning chemistry manufacturer in Minnesota. I'm actually a process and quality engineer, so it's my job to spec the equipment, figure out how it's all going to work together, and we make chemistry that's intended to foam. So it makes it a bit challenging for cappers because if it's foamed up in the headspace, if we stop the bottle, you're going to lose foam into the bottle, and then when it comes time for the induction seal, which we do on all of our 2.5 gallon bottles, the seal was going to fail and our customers would be upset. It would possibly cause safety incidents at our customer sites as well as for our own personnel.
Very important for the customers to get a proper seal on their container, so the continuous motion system has allowed us to place a cap on the bottle and allow for clean, repetitive capping.
The business was always very, very manual. We did a lot of these applications by hand previously. We kind of went headfirst into automation. So we looked at several different companies, and the primary way that we've seen for these 2.5 gallon bottles to be capped was sort of an indexing screw as well as a clamping mechanism to allow for the cap to go on, and then a second mechanism for the actual torque application. And for us, it was a bit challenging because foam coming outside of the bottle. We didn't want to stop the bottle. We wanted that bottle to keep going through all the way and not have sloshing within that 2.5 gallon F style. So it would apply the cap and it would go through and it hit the induction seal, and turns out it works fantastic. It makes my life really, really easy. We get a great cap almost every time. We're at well over 99% first time pass with that Mitsubishi, and I don't have to worry about it.
In collaboration with Mitsubishi and our engineering team, we've been able to put together the full Mitsubishi package. So we're using Mitsubishi SCARA robot, the servo motors, and also the HMI and PLC combination.
The Mitsubishi components has definitely met my demands as well as our customers. Our customers love our machines, especially the ones with Mitsubishi Electric components. They're making us priority if we ever have any questions about anything, any hiccups we may have, any programming issues we may have. They're quick to reach out and work with us to find a solution.
So initially we created this for pharmaceutical environment. It's lent itself very well into the chemical industry. Chemical customers typically have large, heavy containers, and we're able to place caps on the system onto a big, heavy container without stopping it, which is keeping the liquid levels very solid while we're capping, and they're, again, able to get great seal integrity. So it's been a great advantage for the chemical industry also. Well, what we're seeing in the industry is definitely a shift into the robotic machines. We also have the Mitsubishi integrated star wheel system that we created a few years ago. Currently, we're actually marrying them both together, so we will be producing a star wheel system with a robotic pick and place integrated into that. So now we're 2, 3, 4 machines that are new innovations that we've produced over the last 2 to 3 years. Mitsubishi really stepped in, had products available, had technicians that could help us, and seamlessly helped us transition from one platform to their platform. So at this point, being a Diamond OEM, we're very happy with the services they provide us. Given the different platforms that we've used over the years, I don't think we've ever been provided such excellent support as Mitsubishi has provided us, with technical resources, programmers that are able to assist us. So it's just been a great partnership, and I think Mitsubishi values us, we value them, and I think in the end it really helps us move forward and create new systems. If you're an OEM that's manufacturing, you really should look at their systems. I'm not sure you'll find anyone else that's willing to support you as well as they are.